Another update again from Sumuna. We're going to get from Susan. Susan is a primary informant who was on the boat that saw or sighted the body. So Susan and by story click long when something only look him.
Yan kabin ron lo kone kandek lo jauh semua kabin dengan trik la body namel then lo side jauh na lo side as taman sa jauh terus finish lo class number 3 side em kabin bungin na bisa trik la body first and one time we girl kabin bungin na ibin diri one time so mita bin run machine mita gon look but mita no bin na helping because mita bin load at the same time see rough too sometimes machine mita run at 150 meters out na mita go buhin na sa body same thing mita na helping so mita kan buhin care number 3 and number 3 and one command and 73 versus 40 meters out of the plan. Bana binaplo take mina so aste lo bed this day sampai boys na place na sin petrol na album go round check again.
Susan, you've been got you've been dream sampla line lo try kisim album from caving or from outside.
Yes, we've been dream Mr. Robin Brown so and been talking lo stop wait and konte mon police no police pa konte mina pam paket panin sa karot na lo body
Thank you. So that's the information that is from our primary informant this time, and with that we are going to now strategize on how we can go and where we are going to continue on the search, considering the time and the timing, because confirmation or correction rather that it wasn't yesterday that the bodies were sighted, but they were sighted on Tuesday.